Okay, I wanted to clarify how to label a triangle. So if I have a triangle A, B, C, when we are talking about angles, we use capital letters. Okay. So usually if I'm, stating an answer for something, angle B is equal to 87 degrees, we would write it like that. Again, always with a capital letter, and it can be Q or S, whatever you want. So then when it comes to labeling sides, so let's start by taking a look at this side here. So A to C. Okay. So this side AC is opposite angle B. So we always label sides with lowercase letters using the letter that is opposite, um, the letter for the opposite angle. So this would be side B, this would be side A, and this would be side C. You could, right? So like we say this is side B, you could also say this is side AC. So from the vertice A to C, that's fine as well. But it is common practice, lowercase for sides, uppercase for angles. And again, you can write sides AC like that. But if you see a question, it's asking you for, side A, we know that we're talking about this side over here. Okay, so just to clarify, hopefully that helps with your test next week and any other homework questions that you had.